we're going to learn about analogies. So let me share the screen and then we'll get started, okay? So analogies. An analogy is a comparison between two things, typically on the basis of their
If you add a y right here, just one single y, what you get is one that is, how do I say this? You now get one that is specific to general to specific. If you just add one single letter. You just had y right here.
difficulty to easy?
Yeah, because that's basically general is a difficulty, and there's specific is one.
Very good job. Good job.